This isn't a wig. No, not yet. What you are watching is the beginning. Last year, I started ventilating this full lace wig net, strand by strand with my bare hands, but I never filmed it. Why? Because I was in that messy, quiet place where you start something and then pause. I didn't know if I was ready to show the world my process. I didn't think this part was good enough to share. But today I picked it up again and I decided to document it. What you see here is me sectioning the parts I've already ventilated. It might not look like much to some, but to me it's proof. Proof that I started, that I am still going, that I haven't given up. This video is part of my journey into wig making, not just as a business, but as a dream I refuse to bury. I am not showing off a finished product, I am showing the in-betweens. The part where progress is invisible to everyone else but deeply personal to me. This is what building something from scratch actually looks like. So no, it is not a wig yet, but it will be. And this right here is where it all begins. Welcome to my wig journey. Welcome to Klasik Lady Collections.